In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Claude AI account. Creating an account is the first step towards exploring the fascinating capabilities of Claude, and I'm here to guide you through it in clear, simple terms. So, let's get started. First, you'll want to open your preferred internet browser and head over to the Claude website. This can be found at Claude.ai, or alternatively, you can access it through the official Anthropic site. Once there, you'll find yourself on the home page of Claude, where you should see options to get started. Now, on this home page, there are a couple of choices for setting up your account. You might see buttons labeled with Sign Up, Continue with Email, or Continue with Google. If you choose to continue with email, simply enter your email address when prompted. If you're more comfortable using Google, you can opt to connect via your Google account for a streamlined registration process. Once you've entered your details, Claude will send a verification email straight to your inbox. You need to head over to your email, find that message from Claude or Anthropic, and click on the verification link, or alternatively, you might be required to enter a code provided in the email to confirm your address. In some instances, Claude might ask you to verify your phone number as well. This is done through an SMS or OTP, serving as an additional layer of security for your account. This step isn't always mandatory, but be prepared for it just in case. With your email, and potentially your phone number, verified, you are now in the clear to log into your brand new Claude account. For logging in, you'll use the credentials you set up during the registration process. This could be a combination of your email and a password, a code, or simply continue through your Google account if that's the route you initially took. Upon accessing your account, you'll find the option to choose or upgrade to a plan. Claude offers a free version to get you started with exploring its features. However, if you feel the need for augmented capabilities, there's always the option to upgrade to Claude Pro. You can navigate to this option through your account settings, under Billing, and then Upgrade. Keep in mind, however, that these paid plans may have regional restrictions and aren't available in every country, so do check if they're accessible in your location. There you have it. You're now set up and ready to delve into the world of Claude. Whether you opt for the free version or decide to explore the advanced features of Claude Pro, you're on your way to discovering what this powerful tool has to offer. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Enjoy your journey with Claude AI.